Thunderbolt, famed for superfast speeds, high-definition capability, and huge power output, has had an upgrade. Transferring data between Thunderbolt 3 devices at up to a staggering 40 gigabits per second. This cable is ideal for large volume data and Ultra HD displays. It also supports power delivery up to 100 watts, and can daisy chain up to 6 Thunderbolt 3 devices. Get the most from all your Thunderbolt 3 peripherals with the ultimate smart, high-speed cable. Between Thunderbolt 3 devices, this Thunderbolt 3 cable can support data transfer up to a staggering 40 gigabits per second. Backwards compatible, it delivers speeds up to 10 gigabits per second for USB 3. 1 devices, up to 5 gigabits per second for USB 3. 0 and 480 megabits per second for USB 2. 0. High-volume data capability makes the Thunderbolt 3 cable 40 gigabits per second ideal for viewing high-definition video. Supporting Thunderbolt, 5K and Ultra HD displays, sharing content between screens is easy, without compromising quality. The Thunderbolt 3 cable can also supply up to 100W of power delivery for Thunderbolt 3 and USB-C devices that require it, without the need for an additional power supply. In addition to the rigorous quality testing that all our cables must go through, this cable has also been tested to abide by the Thunderbolt standards provided by Intel. Tested for durability and sustained functionality. The result is a fully Thunderbolt 3 compatible cable with the quality you expect from an industry leader with over 35 years of experience. Top reviews from the United States. Works great with CallDigit TS3 Plus docking station. Ordered this to replace the supplied 24 Thunderbolt cable that was included with my CallDigit TS3 Plus docking station, which I use with a Dell laptop. Was a bit nervous to take a chance considering the price premium of these cables, but everything works as it should between dock and PC, external monitor works, charging via the dock works, network connection is solid, and I have had no issues with the connection between dock and PC being flaky or unstable. Now I only have one cable to connect to the laptop, and the dock with its cable spaghetti can live under the desk. Definitely worth the purchase.